Hello, this is Sharif with Engadget, and I'm joined by James Loader from Nikon, and we're looking at the new projector camera from Nikon, which is the S1200PJ. It's the third iteration of a projector camera from Nikon, and it's different from the previous two generations. How is it different, James?
Yeah, so one of the key differences from previous versions is that actually the technology inside the camera, the projector technology specifically, is now using DLP, which is a digital light projection technology, which is fantastic because it means that we can get a brighter image out of the projector. It means we've got much better battery performance out of the camera as well, and it really is fantastic that we've managed to miniaturize that technology into this fantastic camera.
So what technology was in the previous generations? That was LCOS, wasn't it?
That's right. So in previous generations we had the LCOS projector technology. Moving to DLP has managed to allow us to get 40% brighter image out of the projector, so it's really much more usable in even brighter light conditions. You know, you can really use this wherever you are and show all your friends, family, instant results straight through the projector.
Has it affected the power efficiency of the device at all?
Yeah, so it's obviously much more efficient now using this technology. Despite the fact that it's brighter, you would think it would use more power, but actually it's not at all. It's really, really efficient. You can get an hour's projection off of a single battery charge, so plenty of time to you know, show all your movies, show all your friends your images.
So an hour of projecting will kill the battery. You could still grab a fair number of pics and get half an hour projection.
That's it, exactly that.
So
yeah.
you kind of split it up like that.
Yeah, I mean in terms of pictures, you're probably able to get up to 350 odd shots per charge. I mean that's based on sort of standard usage, so some flash images, some you know, some images using the flash obviously use a bit more power.
Sure. Is it thinner as a result of this DLP?
Yeah, so aesthetically it's changed a fair bit from previous versions. It's using, you know, metal body. It's a lot more solidly built.
Right.
Very, very aesthetically pleasing this time around, I think. It's been given a nice feature on the bottom here, which allows it to tilt at a 7-degree pitch, so that when you put it on a flat surface, it will tilt up and project against
but it's
the flat
fixed.
wall.
You can't. That's not flexible. It's 7 degrees or nothing.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, we can just about make that out. Okay, so it's better build quality. It's less boxy. It's thinner than the previous ones, and also we've got new connectivity here, haven't we?
Yeah, that's right. So obviously, you know, we wanted to make this as usable as possible, not just for when you grab your shots and grab your videos from this, but also what other technology devices you're using, plug it into this and make this your device for projecting all of these images. So with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, you can connect those via a specific cable that comes with the product in the box. Right. And you can then, you know, review any images that you've got, any movies you've got on those devices. And you've also got the ability to stream from, you know, the web from those devices.
Okay,
as well.
where's the cable? Where does it go?
So the cable goes just in the side here. It connects to your iPod or iPad or your iPhone using the usual sort of connector.
The 30-pin connector from the Apple device, and then to a.
And then it's a 3.5mm jack that just plugs it directly into the camera body here. And yeah, I mean, you can get online, you can surf the web, you can get YouTube up and stream YouTube.
You get a replica of whatever is on the screen.
Absolutely, yeah.
Of your iDevice.
Absolutely, yeah.
And currently, no Android plans. No, you know, for a USB to, you know, mini or micro USB to 3.5mm.
Not at the moment. I think, you know, the connectivity is really about plugging in the iPad, iPhone, and so on. I mean, of course, carrying on from the predecessor models for this, you know, we've still incorporated the ability to connect via USB to a PC or a Mac, so that you can stream from those.
So we saw a micro USB just next to the 3.5, so you could project PowerPoint presentations and so on.
Absolutely.
That's the same as the last two generations.
Yeah, that's right. It's just to try and make the device as usable as possible in as many different sort of formats as possible, so that you really only need the S11 or 1200PJ, sorry, to take around.
Last question is, what kind of pricing are we looking at, and when will we be able to buy this?
So this will be available in stores from the 22nd of September. 2011, and the price on that is going to be at $399 from launch.
And that's with the cable in the box?
That's with the cable in the box. It's shipping with cable in the box for the iPhone and iPad connectivity.
Thanks a lot. Cheers, James.